Hello students, I am Aniket Kirsch, your computer teacher, and today we are going to start chapter 1 number system, right? Till now, as I was not having book, I was just teaching on some general topics. That too, the topics were from your book only, but from the global point of view I was teaching. But today I am going to start chapter 1 from your book, right? The name of the chapter is number system. So let's start. In this chapter, we will learn number system, that is decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. This types of number system we will study, and computer arithmetic, how computer operates, uh, conversion of decimal into binary number system, binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, binary and to decimal number system, right? Why, what is exactly the binary system? Why we are again and again in this topics binary is coming? I think you know that binary number system, binary number system is this number system which is understood by the computer, right? Computer understands binary language, and we know binary language means 0 and 1. Remember, in your previous class you have studied. So let's start. In early days, there were no means of counting. People used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. In earlier times, when there was number of counting systems, there were limits in every counting systems. So that's why many number systems have been found or invented, we can say. Many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So first is decimal number system, right? So let me tell you what is decimal number system. The need for counting has paved the path of the introduced decimal number system, in which 0 to 9 are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. In mathematics, what we see in mathematics, there we have 0 to 9 numbers, right? If you will see, from this 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we can form any number. Any number. Suppose let us take 1500, 1500, 1500. 1 is 500, all comes under this 0 to 9, right? 10. 10 is made up of 1 and 0. 11. 11 is made up of 1 and 1. Okay? So like this, decimal number system, the base is 10. Why base is 10? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Suppose this is 752, right? This is 752. So in this, what you can see? This is, the base is what? Base means this is, let me tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All these numbers are made up of, and one is left, 0, right? You can see. Now count 0, 1, 2, 3. If you will count all these numbers, how many digits are there? 1 to 9 is 9 digits, and the 0 means 10 digits. So in decimal number system, base is what? Base is always 10. 10 means what? Base is 10 means what? Whatever number we will form in decimal number system, the digits will be between 0 to 9, right? So here 752, we can say 752 is what? It's a decimal number, right? So we can write this like this also in a bracket. This is in decimal number system, right? So Let us discuss some more about decimal number system. What is place value? What is face value? Let me tell you. So in this you can see this is a decimal number. 752 is a decimal number. So we know that what is unit digit, what is hundreds digit, what is thousand digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We know this counting system, right? So this is what? This is what? Unit digit. From the right side we consider na unit digit or ones we can see. Ones, then tens. 5 is tens, and then this is 100. This is what? This is the place value of it. Yes, what is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is 700, right? What is the place value of 50? 50. The place value of 50 is 50, right? What is the place value of 2? It is a unit digit, so we will write here. And if we will add this all, what we will get? 752, right? 752. This will be our answer. So you understood what is place value, right? Place value. Place value you have to find out this like this: unit digit, tens digit, hundred digit, thousands, like this. Okay, understood everybody? Now next, what is then face value? What is the face value? Now let us discuss what is face value. We just discussed what is place value. Now what is face value? The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 5 is 5. The place value of 7 is 7. The place value of 2 is 2. The place value of 5 is 5. The place value of 7 is 7 only. Right? Understood? So face values directly we have to say that digit. And place value we have ones, tens, 100,000. That is the place value. Understood? Okay. Let's come to the book. So the need for counting has paved the path to introduce decimal number system in which 0 to 9 are used to form any number, right? 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means 10 digits. So base is in decimal number, base is 10. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with the decimal numbers. It consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. 82, all these are what? All these are numbers of decimal number. 82, 256, all these are what? Numeric value that comes under, because see, all these numbers are formed with the help of 0 to 9 only, right? The value of each digit in a number system depends on the following. The face value of the digit, you can easily find out what is the face value, right? You can easily find out what is the face value. The base of the number system, just I told you, the position of the digit in the place value we consider. Face value, base and place value. These three things of any number you can easily find out, right? Place value, face value and the base. Understood? Good. Now next. Here the example I have given, just that is here. The position value. The positional value of each digit increases 10-fold as we move from right to left. Yes, we have seen when we move from right to left, suppose 547 is a number. 547 is a number. So in this what happens? 7 means this is unit place, so 7 only. And here 4 means 10 times it is moving. Ones, tens. Why we are calling 4 is in tens place, so we will write 4 into 10 or 40 we can write. And what about 5? Ones, tens, 100. 5 is in 100 place, so we will write 500, right? And if we will add all this, then we will get 547. Understood? The same thing which I taught you, right? Now, the position value of each digit increases with 10 folds as we move from right to left. In the above mentioned example, 547 are the face value of each of the digits and their place values are 100 tens units. So face value and place value, I think you understood. The face value depends on the position of the digit in the number, right? Place value. Now binary number system. Let's discuss about now binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. In decimal number we have seen 10 digits are there, that is from 0 to 9. Now in binary number system we have only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digit, it has the base 2. So since it is having only two digits, it has base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the data input from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. What happens whenever you give any command to computer? Suppose you are working on a computer, and if you give any commands, so that command is converted into the form of 0 and 1 by the computer, because computer understands only digital, or we can say binary number. So if you are giving decimal numbers, how it will understand? It will first convert it in binary number. Then it operates on, and then whatever function it is performing, after that, after performing the functions, it will again send you back the reply, and after converting it to decimal number, you will get the reply in decimal number. But all the operations without which are going inside the computer is in binary form only. Understood? Understood? Okay. Now next. Okay, let me show you. Binary 101 is a binary, right? It is a binary form. Or 10005. It is a binary? No. It is not a binary, because 5 is there, no? 5. In binary number system, we can have only two digits. Any number which is the combination of only this 0, and it can be combination of only 0 or 1, right? 101 is a binary number. 10001, this is a binary number. And 00111, this is also a binary number, right? So all these are what? Binary number. This is not a binary number, right? Binary number means it should be the combination of 0 and 1 only, है ना? Which computer understands. Understood? Right. Now next, a computer cannot understand human language. The data which is entered into a computer is converted into a binary form, because the computer understands only binary code. It further converts the binary result into their decimal equivalent for your output, to give you as an output, right? We have just I explained you this. Conversion of, now next topic, conversion of decimal into binary number system. Conversion of decimal number into binary number system. Okay, I will tell decimal to binary. Let me show you. Conversion from decimal to binary, right? Suppose we have any number. From your book only I am taking 25. This is what? This is a decimal number. This is a decimal number, right? So I am writing 10 here, and I want to convert it in binary form. Because the topic is conversion from decimal to binary. So binary, the base of the binary will be base 2. The combination of the answer should be 0 and 1, right? So how I will find out this? So you know how to find out the LCM. In the same way we will write 22 and 25 here. Now we have to divide, because from base 10 we are going to base 2, decimal to binary. So we want to form binary, so we will divide it by 2 only. You have to divide it by 2 only. 2 how many times is 25? 2 how many times is 25? 2 12 is 24. 2 25 is not possible, and it is not exactly divisible by 2. So 2 how many times is 25? 2 12 are 24. 2 12 are 24. So 1 is carry, 1 is left, so we will write 1 here. Okay. Now next, again, 2 how many times is 12? 2 6 are 12. This time exactly no carry is left. Okay, so here we will directly write 0. Now next time 2 3 are 6. So here this time also no carry, so we will write 0. Now next time 2, how many times 3? 2 ones are 2, 1 is left. So here we will write 1, right? 2 ones are 2. Understood? So now what is there? Here 1 we have, here 1 we have. Now we will write it in reverse order, right? We will write it in reverse order. Here we have 1 here, here you can see, here we have 1, and now here, so 1 1 0 0 1 in reverse order I am writing. Okay, so in reverse order 1 2 4 8 16 16 16 26 25. Okay, so this is your answer, right? So you can write here 1 1 0 0 1, right? This is your answer. This is your answer. 1 1 0 0 1. This 25 can be written in binary form as 1 1 0 0 1. Understood? This in this way you can convert, right? Now next let's go to the book now. In the same way 321 we will do this also, 321, right? In 321 2 we will divide it, we are converting from decimal to binary, so we will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 6 are 2 6 are 12, 2 zeros are 0. So what happening, 2 160 times is what, 320, 1 is carry, so here we will write 1, right? Now here 2 80s are 160, no carry, 0. Like this we will go in this manner, and after writing finally we will write it in reverse order, right? In reverse order 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1, right? Here also you can check in the same way. Understood? Okay, now next. Now binary to decimal number. Okay, now I will teach you how to convert binary to decimal number, right? Binary to decimal number. What happens if any binary number is there? Suppose, see, it is very easy. You can easily see here 1010 base 2. If any binary number is there and you want to change it to decimal, right? You want to change it to decimal number. So what you have to do, write this binary number and 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, you have to write it in the what? In which form? From the right hand side. From the right hand side, see here 2 to the power 0, then multiply 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 to the next digits, right? Here you can see. To every from the right hand side, what you will do, 2 to the power 0 will be multiplied with the unit digit. Okay, 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power, like this. Okay, now 2 to the power 0 to this, 2 to the power 1 to this, 2 to the power 2 to this, and 2 to the power 3 to this will be multiplied. Here you can see. So what happens, 2 to the power 0 means, here you can see 2 to the power 0 into 1 means what? 2 to the power 0 itself is the value of 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, right? 2 to the power 1. Okay, 2 to the power 1 means 2. 2 multiplied by 0 means what? 0. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means what? 4. 4 into 0, 0. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 into 1 is what? 2 to the power 3 into 1. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8, right? So now we will add all this. Now what we will do? We will add all this. 8 plus 0 plus 1. What? 9. So 9 is your decimal number, which is equivalent to the binary 1001. अगर आप 1001 बाइनरी नंबर को डेसिमल नंबर में चेंज करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 9, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? In the same way here also 1010 is what? इसको अगर हम लोग ने चेंज किया, वी विल व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, हियर वी विल 2 टू द पावर 0 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 टू द पावर 1 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 टू द पावर 2 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 टू द पावर 3 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और फिर सब जो भी आएगा ये जो किया हमने, वट एवर वी विल गेट दिस, we will add all this, we will add all this. So 8 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, we will get 10. 10 will be our answer. Understood beta? Clear everything till now? Okay, next. Octal number system. Octal number system, we have just seen that in binary we use the base is 2. Why base is 2? Because here any number is the combination of 0 and 1, 0 and 1, only two. With the help of this two digit we have to create any number, right? Our number is in the form of 0 and 1, only two digits are there, and in decimal 10 digits are there. What are they? 0 to 9, right? In octal number system, what happen? 8 digits are there. What are these 8 digits? 8 digits are from 0 to 7, right? From 0 to 7. Understood? Only 0 to 7. 8 will not be considered, right? 8 will not be. 8 digits are there, but 0, 1, like this up to 7. So 1 to 7, 7 digits are there, plus 0 means 8 digits will be there, right? Understood? Hexadecimal. And the procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal. In binary to decimal, what you have done, you have multiplied 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, like this, no? In the octal number system, if you want to convert octal to decimal, then what you have to do, you have to multiply 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, like this, from right hand side to, in the same way what you have just learned, in the same way, but in place of 2 you have to take the base 8. Okay. In hexadecimal 16 digits are there. In hexadecimal 16 digits are there. So we have 16 base. What are they? 0 to 9, and after 9 A to F. After 9, 10, 11, 16 digits means what? 16 base means 16 digits are there. So up to 9 digits it's okay. And after 9, what we will take? We will take A, B, C, D, 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, 10 for the A, 11 for the B, 12 for the C, like this. Take up to what? 15. Up to F. Take care. Because 16 digits are there. So up to 15 we will take. But after 9, 10, 11, 12 will be in the form of A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? Understand? Okay. Now next. Computer arithmetic. As a computer understands only binary code, the data given by the user is converted into binary code for processing. This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on binary numbers. Right? Computer understands binary language only. मशीन कंप्यूटर को और कुछ तो समझ में आता नहीं, 0 और 1 ही समझ में आता है. दैट इज द बाइनरी कोड. हम तो whatever we are writing, it is converted in the form of 0 and 1, and computer understands that only, right? तो भाई कंप्यूटर, how computer operates all these things? उसमें addition, subtraction, all these are what done inside a computer. How this is done? Because it understands 0 and 1 only, so all the operations are done in binary form only. So let us learn that. अगर binary, computer will add addition, we add 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So how it will add? How additions are done in binary form? So let us learn that. Binary addition, right? The technique used to add binary numbers inside the computer is very easy and simple. This is performed in the same way as you perform addition with decimal numbers. The following table illustrates the addition of 2 binary digits. ठीक है. Suppose जैसे आप 1 1 ऐड करते हैं, 5 6 ऐड करते हैं, whatever decimal, in the same way here we will add, right? When you will add 0 0, then answer will be 0. 0 plus 0 what? 0, right? And 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Understood? Now Let us see. Let us see. Take one example, right? From here we will take one triple zero and triple one, right? Wait a minute. Yes, let me show you. Suppose you want to add 1 0 0 0 1, and here we have 0 1 1 0 1, right? So how we will add this binary numbers? 1 plus 1, what we have seen? 1 plus 1 is what? 0 or 10? 10. 1 plus 1 is 10, right? 0 plus 1 is what? 0 plus 1 is 1, right? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is what? 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 10. Understood? So here 1 plus 1 is what? 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forward. 0 0 0 and plus 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 1. Like this you can perform binary addition. Understood? Right? Let me tell you one more example. 1 1 1 1 and 0 1 0, right? So 1 plus 0, we are doing addition. Okay, 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forward here. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 10. Again 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1 is what? 10. 1 0. So this will be your answer. Understood? Okay, now next. This we have completed. Now binary subtraction. In binary subtraction you can see 0 plus 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is 1. Means 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 0 minus 1 equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Right? Let me show you. Here you can see, you can easily see 1 in the first. 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here it is clear to you, I think. Now 1 carry forward, I am telling you. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Wait a minute. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Now let me show you this to you, how you have to do this. Suppose the digit how to 1 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 1, right? Now let me write in a proper way. 1 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 1. Subtraction. So 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is what? 0 minus 1. Is it possible? If you will subtract 0 to 1, is it possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we will do, we will take carry forward this 0 minus 1 is not possible. In like decimal, we have, 3 minus 5 is possible. 3 minus 5 is not possible. No, this is not possible. In the same way here, 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we have to take carry forward. We have to take carry. Yeah, yes. So here it cannot take. So here from here we will take. This one will what? This one will become what? This one will become 0. And it will give 2 to it. Right? It will give 2 to it. Whenever we will carry forward, it will be in the form of 2, right? अब यहाँ से ये 2 will give carry to this, right? तो इसके पास तो 2 आएगा और ये जो है ये 1 बन जाएगा. इसके पास whenever it will be give carry to this number, carry it will carry forward, so 2 will be there. और जब ये उसको फॉरवर्ड करेगा तो इसके पास तो 2 जाएगा. जो कैरी है दैट विल बी गो विद द 2 जाएगा हमेशा कैरी, because we are doing calculations in binary form ना. So whenever you are forwarding carry, it will be 2, right? वो अपना एक माइनस करके सामने वाले को एक देगा लेकिन वो 2 बन के जाएगा. Consider like that, okay? तो 2 minus 1 is what? 1. और यहाँ पे देखिए this 2 is already cancelled. Here 1 is there. So 1 minus 1 is what? 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 0 minus 0 is what? 0. And here 1 minus 0 is what? 1. Understood? 1 0 0 1. Understood? Okay. Let me tell you one more example. 1 1 1 1 0 1, right? And here 0 1 1 0 1 0, right? Let me take this example. Subtracted. 1 minus 0 obviously possible, so 1. 0 minus 1 not possible, so it will become what? 1 will be cancelled, it will give forward और यहाँ पे ये 2 बन के आएगा. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 0 minus 0 is 0 और यहाँ पे 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. Understood? This will be your answer. Understood? Okay, now next. Now, so you understood binary subtraction also. Now binary multiplication, right? Now binary multiplication. In multiplication, it is also like that only. It like decimal operations. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 ones are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0, like 0 0 0 0 0 only. Or in all cases, if any 1 will be any time multiplied by 0, it means 0 only. 1 multiplied by 1, then only it will become 1, right? So let's see the example of this. Okay, 101 into 11 into 11 101 into 11, right? So 1 into 1 is what? First in decimal numbers we do 1, we will first multiply this one with all these 3, right? So 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, right? Then we will put cross symbol here. Then 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, right? Then we know how to add. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 1 1, and here also 1. So this will be your answer, right? We have already seen how to add. We have to add this, right? And this simple, very simple, right? Got it? Understood? Okay. And here also see answer is 1 1 1 like this only. Here also I will show you 1 1 1 1 into 1 0 1. In the same way here also see this one is multiplied by all these 4 ones. Then we will put cross symbol here. Then 0 will be multiplied by all. then again 2 crosses will be there, then this one will be multiplied by all these 4 ones, and then we will add all this, and we will get answer. This one will be your answer, right? Understood? It's very easy. Now next, okay, binary division, last topic of this unit, right? Last topic of this unit. The method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of the decimal number. See the examples given below. Okay, decimal is this division is also like a decimal numbers operations only. Okay, so here you can see. Let me show you this also to you. What are the two digits? Let me 110 by 10 and this 1000111 by 1001, right? Let me show you. Here you can easily see 110, 110 and 10. So 10 ones are 10. This one is 10 ones are 10. Here we will write. Then we will subtract. So 1 minus 1 cancel 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then we will go forward this 0. Then what happens? This will become 10 and 10 ones are 10. Then the remainder will be 0. Right? Let me show you in this. So 110 by 10, suppose taking the same example so that it will be more clear to you. So 10 how many times is, here we can see 11 is there, na? First two digits is 11. To 10 how many times is 11? If 10 ones are 10, 10, it is in binary form. So either we can take 1 times or 0 times. So 10 ones are 10 is possible. If not possible, then we have to take 10 zeros are 0. Okay, so here 10 ones are 10 is possible. So we will write 10 I am saying to explain you, but it is in binary form. We should not call it 10, right? So here 1 minus 1 is what? Cross 0, or we can say 0, and here 1 minus 0 is 1, right? Now we will forward this. So here now 10. So now 10 ones are 10 or 10 zeros are 0. So here also 10 is there, so exactly divisible. So 10 ones are 10, and here our remainder will be 0, 0, right? Of course. So here 11, 1, 1 is the, you know what, quotient. Okay, understood? In this way you have to perform binary division also, right? Now let us take one more example of it from your book only. 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. The second example in your book as it is given. It is too long. Let me explain it in that only, but let me show. At least you will understand it in a better way. So 1001, 1001, and here see the 4 digits. 10000, 1001. So how many times 1 ja karenge? If we will go for 1 time, then 1001, which will be greater than that of the 1000, right? So we will go for 0, right? 1001, 0 times is what? 0 times is what? Yes, 0 only, right? 0. Then we will subtract 1 0 0 0, this 4 digit, and now we will forward this one, next digit. Now it will become, now it will what? It will now become, it will go for now 1 time it will go. So here we will write 1, and here we will what? 1001, 1 times is what? 1001, 1001. Now we will subtract it. Here 10, 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we will take 1 फॉरवर्ड, राइट। ये तो हो जाएगा 0, ये हो जाएगा 2। आई टोल्ड यू दैट ये 2 कट जाएगा और ये 2 हो जाएगा और ये तो 1 बन जाएगा, ठीक है। और ये 2 हो जाएगा, फिर ये 2 भी कट जाएगा, ये भी 1 हो जाएगा और ये 2 बन जाएगा, फिर 2 भी कट जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा और ये तो 1 रहेगा ही, राइट। 2 कट होके 1 हो रहा है और ये 10 में 1, ये 1 0, अब 1 में 1 माइनस करेंगे तो व्हाट विल गेट, हियर वी विल गेट 0 एंड यहाँ पे 1 है। 2 सब व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, 2 सब कैंसिल होके अपना 1 एक सामने वाले को दे रहे हैं तो वो 2 बनते जा रहा है, जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू। तो ये 1 में 0 माइनस होगा तो 1, 1 में 0 माइनस होगा तो 1, और ये 1 में 1 माइनस होगा तो फिर ये 0, और ये तो कट चुका है, ये तो 0 हो ही चुका है वैसे भी, राइट। नाउ अपन क्या करेंगे, इसको लेंगे आगे, राइट। 1 1 0 1 और ये 1 0 0 1, तो क्या अपन 1 टाइम कर सकते हैं, यस और नो, वी कैन टेक 1 टाइम, सो आई विल टेक 1 टाइम। इससे कम है ना भाई, वी कैन टेक इट 1 जब व्हाट हैपेंस, मैं यहाँ हियर वी डोंट हैव स्पेस सो आई एम राइटिंग बिलो, राइट। अब इसमें क्या होगा, 1 जा टाइम करेंगे, 1 जा 1 0 0 1, सॉरी आई एम राइटिंग 1 0 0 1, राइट। इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 1 माइनस 1 क्या होगा, 0 होगा, और यहाँ पे भी 0 माइनस 0 0 होगा, और यहाँ 1 माइनस 0 1 होगा, और यहाँ पे भी 0 होगा। तो हियर वी कैन सी 1 0 0 1 0 0, और यहाँ पे मैंने इसको ले लिया व्हाट 1 0 0, और इसको 1 मैंने यहाँ पे 1 ले लिया, तो 1 0 0 1 आ गया यहाँ पे। सो नेक्स्ट जो जाएगा वो 1 से जाएगा, और इसी तरीके से ये सॉल्व हो जाएगा, गेटिंग। So in this way you have to go on and you will get the answer, right? Here space is not there, so I will take you in the book only. See, 0 times what, 1 1 0. Here you can see we put 1 0 0 1 1 time, 0 times ले लिया। Here it has not shown as I have shown, but it has taken, the book has shown, ठीक है ना, because they have put 0 here, right? Then next time 1 times what happen, this will go in the same way, हाँ, we had done, yeah, up to this, okay. In the next step, in the next one you can go for this and your division will be completed, right? Your division will be completed. So in this way you have to do. I think this is clear to you, and if not you can ask me, right? In the comment section you can write, or you can yeah, in the Zoom classes you can ask, right? Or if our school will start, then also I will clear if any doubt is there, right? Now this is the end. Now the commonly used number system is decimal number system with base 10. Yes, we know. The binary number system consists of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1, and has the base 2, right? You can perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers, right? The octal number has the base 8 and the hexadecimal has 16, right? These are all things we have seen, and I think all the operation is clear to you, right? So that's it for today. The explanation I think is completed to you, and I hope everything is clear to you, and I will upload one more video for the exercise, right? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.